Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to import Google Fonts and order using any font for CSS project. So guys, open Google Chrome browser and type any browser and search for font and your preferred font, and after that searching for font, select the family icon. Then guys, get embed code, then switch to import section to copy code and open your VS Code and go to your CSS section and just pass this code as you can see here, and file make you don't forget delete style if you find any style. Now you are good. Okay, as you can see here, remember you need to copy the font from Google family and post in VS Code and order for font effect over text. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep watching guys.